Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. It feels like I get this box every week, even though it's a monthly box. I don't know, every time I turn around, I get it and I love it. This is Pink Box Delivery. It is a lifestyle box and I just love it. This is their one last summer fling. So this must be actually the August box. And I had just posted like must have been the July box. So loving it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my video, my content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty. So this is a monthly subscription box, and every month it's like a theme. So this one is, again, one last summer fling. So I can't wait to get into it because I didn't even cheat this month. I've seen people post it and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna cheat. I'm just gonna keep scrolling. So they put the sheet on here. They don't put retail prices, but it's always well worth it. It's like $38 or $35, but this is one box that charges you the full shipping and it's like $8.50. So it comes to about like, I don't know, $42, $45 a month for this box, but it's well worth it. So the last couple boxes I got, it had cactus paper for tissue paper. So I just love that. But this one, we got plain pink tissue paper. Not mad, but oh well. But the first thing I see are slippers. And I'm reading it and it says, oh, because it didn't make any sense. And then one says, better late. And the other one says, then ugly. So cute. And I definitely will wear these. And they put it on the card, all the different items. So I'll go over those at the end. And when you sign up for the box, I think you put like your sizes. So in case they send you something, they will know. But this box, look at this. It's just filled with goodies. Hope you guys are all having, I guess, a great end to summer. I know Labor Day's coming up. So I hope you have great plans. And of course they wrap everything in bubble wrap, which off camera I will pop. And I do have my trusty scissors. So if you have children, school-age children, let me know if they go back into a classroom or if they still do the Zoom. I'm very curious as to how that is going. Because I know all states don't send them back. Some, they're still going at home. And I'm getting a little challenged here. So this is room spray, lavender rosemary. Oh. And I'm not going to spray it because it's maybe it's not nicely packaged because it's kind of sticky at the bottom. Oh my God, I can smell it. I think it might have leaked. So, yeah, it definitely leaked, but it smells great. But I never complain when I get a room spray. And so that's definitely worth something. And the next item, if I would have known, maybe I would have opened these. Oh. It looks like a vase. You can put something in there. That is just beautiful and loving the color. Okay, now I have room spray all over me. And I think they always put a treat in there, but this is a snickerdoodle. No complaints there. And ooh, this looks like one of those little battery operated candles. Oh, I guess so. So I don't know what it goes into. The sheet will tell me. It doesn't go in there. Okay then. Got another fun item. This is Finchberry Darling Japanese Cherry Blossom. Okay. I don't know what it is. Is it soap? It's very, very glittery. I'm assuming it's a soap. But can you see the glitter, which is probably now all over my body? Of course, I can't smell anything because I have room spray. Oh my God, it smells amazing. But I don't know, do you use this? Is this just out for display? Because look at all that glitter. That is very nice. I just wouldn't know how to display that. But it smells amazing. And of course it smells with my... And then we got, thank you for supporting my small business. For these cards. Okay, these are the places you will go. These are iPads. Aren't these the cutest? And these look like they're luggage tags. So I think I know somebody that travels a lot. So obviously these will go to my daughter, who must have more frequent flyer miles than anybody I know. And I'm still trying to figure out what the candle goes for. Then we got this white box that I think I found where the candle goes. But now I think I have glitter all over me and I smell like room spray, which isn't a bad thing because that room spray smells really good. And oh my goodness, it's got that blue color and it is the cutest. It's a little lantern. Oh my God. And if you didn't know, we are buying a fifth wheel toy hauler. You know, you pull behind so that we could put all our toys in. Oh no, there's one in here already. Or does it go on the top? So now I can decorate it with all my little accessories. So this is a little lantern. I guess I have to put it together myself. And then it's got the, oops. It's got this. So, my little candle. So maybe this goes on top. And then you put the little wire things in here. And then it just hangs. How adorable is this? But you know, I got to put it together. So this is like the box. I just love this. So I'm going to put it together and leave a picture at the end of the video. So loving that. And there's one more thing in this box. This is just such a great box. You know, it's one of those that, do I keep it? Do I cancel it? Do I need it? And then they just keep outdoing themselves every month. So keeping it. So the box is the same. So this is just like a little travel jewelry box. It is. Oh, so cute. I see these. I see people get them in boxes and I never get one. Now I got one. so you hang your little necklaces maybe, and you put it in here, and you can put your rings, and this is just too adorable. So we got the jewelry box, and let me just read. We got a delicious treat by Wow, a set of luggage tags by About Face, travel slippers to wear in your hotel, which we don't, spa eye gels for relaxing spa experience, coconut lavender room spray by Park and Madison, Darling soap by Finchberry, reminiscent of a delicious tartlet. Oh, so that's why it's so sparkly. Light blue opalescent hexagonal necklace. I didn't see a necklace. I have to go back and look in my box. Hold, please. Okay, I went back in the box and I found this little bag with a necklace. So I'm glad I read the little sheet, and look at this beautiful necklace. I don't want to put you guys to sleep, so I'm going to try to hold it still. And this is really, really pretty. I am mostly a silver wearer, but I am definitely going to wear this. Let me see if I can. I have no nails left, so hold on. And why I put you on hold, I tried forever to put my little lantern together and I had major struggles. So here's the necklace as it goes down my shirt because I didn't put it on. So hold on. Okay, so here's the necklace, and I really like it. And I like it in the gold. I think it looks really nice. So as I said, I tried to put the lantern together, but I couldn't get the little bar, the handle across it. But it is so adorable. And it comes with a little tea light. And I bet you this comes so that you can replace it with the battery operated one. So this is totally awesome. And so let me finish my recap. Maybe I missed something else. So we got the room spray, we got that cute little soap, and we got this necklace, and we got the fall leather jewelry by Emporium, the jewelry holder, and we got the blue vase by Inspired Homes, and we got the cute little lantern that I'm struggling with, so I will try to put a picture what it actually looks like at the end of the video. So what did you think of this box? This is a super good box. Every month, again, they put the theme, and it's totally great. So please leave me comments. What was your favorite item in this box? And again, you guys have an awesome day.